A new, all-year-round garden waste collection service has been introduced across Rotherham. You can sign up now with a secure online payment. Signing up is quick and easy. To show that you have signed up for the service, you will also be given proof of subscription to ensure our collection teams are aware that you have paid. This new service will cost £39, which covers until January 2020, working out at around £2 per collection. It covers the emptying of one brown bin every fortnight from April through to October, and a monthly collection November to March, with a break over the Christmas and New Year period. If you have chosen not to sign up for the brown bin collection service, you will no longer receive a garden waste collection. However, you will still be able to recycle your garden waste at one of our 4 household waste recycling centres. Your green bin should now be used for recycling paper and card. To find out more and to sign up to the new all-year-round garden waste collection service, go to www.rotherham.gov.uk/bins.